am I now? Okay, this way. There we go. Where you go? Here! Is this right here? Maybe it's wrong. Here! Here! Why are the chickens in here? What? How many times did that tear up in? Okay. You threw your... the what thing? This... Bye-bye! I'm gonna hit 500 by the end of the year, huh? Oh my! What? I'm not even done yet. Do you think we can get to 20 ruffians? I don't think... down here. Just an idea, though. Really that many basements or anything. I don't think. Mococo, your sneeze is evolving, leveling up. It's different today, okay? It's different. Oh wow. Oh wow. We could just sit here, Mococo. We could just watch you until you sneeze again. Is it getting all over you or is it just getting all over me? I haven't been complaining about it, Mococo, but even when I was a little bit further than usual, it was still getting on me! I just try to be as considerate as possible because I know it's rough on your sniffer right now. Yeah. No way you'll ever top this record, no. Yeah. Maybe, Mococo, maybe you can get the 500 sneezes this year, huh? Maybe. You pretty much got to a quarter of 100 sneezes just today.